Give you a good tip. Good job. Okay, Damien, what's wrong? Why did you come here today? Good morning, doctor. I think everything's fine, but I'm not sure. I don't feel well. I see. But what do you feel? I need to know in order to get a diagnosis. Well, I feel unwell and keep vomiting all the time. I don't know why. I'm strong. I exercise every day. I go to the gym, go running, eat well. What's happening to me? We will have to check. That's something weird. I will need you to tell me about your routine. What do you do every day? It's important to know your habits. Sure, doc. Well, I wake up early every morning. I usually wake up at 5 in the morning. I go running around the park, which is near my home. I often run for 1 hour or an hour and a half. It all depends on what time I start work. You know, I have a small store downtown. Well, after I come back home from running, I take a cold shower and get dressed. Wait, you say you take a cold shower every morning? That may be one of the reasons. I don't think so. I always do that, and nothing happens. It's normal for me. I like taking cold showers. I hear it's good for the skin and also to have more energy. Well, that's true. If you've already got used to it, then I think that's okay. Continue, please. Well, after that, I prepare my breakfast. Sometimes I eat oatmeal with a little of stevia. You don't eat sugar then? That's something good. I mean, eating brown sugar can be dangerous. No, I don't use brown sugar. It's bad for my health. I perfectly know that. Don't worry. As I was telling you, I eat oatmeal with stevia and usually 2 or 3 boiled eggs. Talking about that, I want to ask you something. Is it really bad to eat eggs every day? It seems like every few years, questions arise about these meals in a shell. Are they good or bad for you? What about their protein and cholesterol? Many questions. The thing is that eggs can be a good addition to a healthy, well balanced diet. Just watch out for those high calorie, high fat extras like cheese, bacon, and butter. But since you eat them with oatmeal, I don't think you have any problems. So that's okay. That's very good information, doctor. Thank you so much. Well, as I was telling you, I have breakfast and then I go to work. I usually take a taxi when I'm a little late. But if not, I can take the bus or the train. I have to open my store at 7 in the morning. There I work until 1 or 2 in the afternoon. I can manage my time since I'm the owner. Then I go to have lunch alone Or sometimes with some friends, I go to a restaurant. I'm surprised you don't prepare your own lunch. Restaurants usually serves food with a lot of fat. That's true, but happily I found a great restaurant near my work. It's a very healthy restaurant. It's not vegetarian, but they serve really good food. Grilled chicken, beans, brown rice, and of course, a lot of salad. It's delicious. That's good. You cannot eat only salad. Some people want to eat only salad, and that's not good. Do not misunderstand it. Salads are recommended to add fiber and micronutrients to our diet. However, one must not replace a meal with only vegetable salads, as they lack protein. Many fall prey to fat diets and replace their whole meals with vegetable salads. No, don't worry. I always eat a wide variety of food. After having lunch, I go back to my work to continue working, of course. I finish work at about 5 or 6 in the afternoon. Then I take the bus or train to go home. When I get home, the first thing I do is to eat a snack. Sometimes it can be a chicken sandwich, or maybe some boiled corn with cheese. I love that. Or toast with butter. Because after that, I need to go to the gym. I usually go in the evenings. I go to the gym at 8 or 9 in the evening. I usually train until 11 p.m. Then I go back home to take a shower, eat something for dinner, and that's all. I brush my teeth, wash my face, and go to sleep. Sometimes I can watch a movie. That only happens if I'm not very tired, because I need to sleep at least 5 or 6 hours. Healthy adults need at least 7 hours of sleep per night. And that's the thing. Babies, young children, and teens need even more sleep to enable their growth and development. But I don't know. You look very strong and healthy. Yeah, that's the thing. I don't know what happens to me. What should I do? Let me examine you. I will press on your stomach to see if it hurts, and then listen to your heart. Okay, it doesn't hurt when you press my stomach. I just feel tired, very tired. Okay, did you eat anything different from usual before you started to feel this way? My girlfriend cooked dinner for me. She isn't a very good cook, and the food tasted a bit strange. You've got food poisoning, maybe. Maybe your girlfriend put something on your food. Yulisa? Oh my God. She told me she wanted to kill me because I cheated on her, but I thought she was joking. Help me, please. Help me, Doc. Don't worry. Everything will be fine. Happily, You came here on time.